Hi, I'm Alex O'Keefe, the CTO and co-founder of HT Systems. My younger sister is a wheelchair user. Growing up, I would lift her on my back and get her from her wheelchair to wherever she needed to go. It was simple. Adults aren't as simple to move. Globally, 80 million people are wheelchair users due to injury, medical condition, or aging. For many, they require the assistance of a caregiver and a lifting device to transfer them to and from their wheelchair for everyday tasks, as simple as going to the bathroom. Using the commonly available lifting devices, these transfers can require up to 2 caregivers and take as long as 20 minutes. And this may be as many as 5 to 10 times a day. This situation can bring a loss of freedom to a person and put significant strain on the healthcare system. The evident cost to the system is high caregiver time and an ever-stretched workforce, and high numbers of workplace injuries. The limitations of current lifting devices and care availability force people out of their own homes and into institutional care like rest homes, which can cost the system up to $100,000 a year. And this results in a reduced quality of life for people and their families. At HT Systems, we're engineering solutions that reduce the cost and strain of healthcare. Our first product, the Carer Sit-to-Sit Poised, is a new type of transfer device that empowers a single caregiver, which is often a partner or family member, to transfer a person quickly and easily from their wheelchair. This allows someone to remain living at home independent of external caregivers.
I'm really grateful for this machine because I found it very, very handy, and that is the truth from the bottom of my heart. And without it, I was nothing. And with it, I have my husband at home, because otherwise he would be in a nursing home.
Not only is the Carer life-changing to a couple like this, it has large repercussions for the healthcare system. It reduces the cost of care by keeping people at home, or where care is being provided, it reduces staffing requirements and time spent on transfers, and its ease of use can promote reduced workplace injuries. The Carer has been awarded for its innovation. For example, the Best New Product from the Australian industry body. We have a range of granted and filed patents to create protection for our innovations.
Hi, my name's Richard Shepherd. I'm the CEO and co-founder at HT Systems. We're excited about the challenge of reducing cost and strain of care for the 80 million people that live in a wheelchair. The global patient lift market is already worth $2.5 billion and rapidly growing, and we have the game-changing solutions to grow a globally relevant business within the next 4 years. The Carer has already changed the lives of hundreds of New Zealanders and their families. This success has been continued in Australia, where we've partnered with Adacare, Australia's largest healthcare equipment supplier, and we've sold over 150 units in the last 2 years. After seeing the progress and potential of the product in Australia, Adacare are now distributing the Carer through their UK dealer network, and a strong traction is developing. Such is the universal appeal of our product, we have also started to distribute directly into the US, Europe, and the Middle East. The time is right to scale the business. We're on the cusp of generating strong shareholder value, as well as making social impact on a global level. The plan is to grow the business in 3 key areas. We are targeting growth in large markets, such as the $1 billion North American market, where we've already had discussions with US and Canadian distributors and are looking for a full entry in 2025. We are transitioning production from small batch manufacturing in Christchurch to mass manufacture in Asia, a move that will double our gross margin from 30 to 60%. Again, we're already in discussion with 3 contract manufacturers. We have a deep connection to our market and have earned people's trust, with Carer being recognised as a life-changing innovation. We already have a strong pipeline of new products, with our second product shortly going into pre-sales, and our game-changing, patent-pending lifting vest and market testing later this year. We've already generated strong momentum, with our year-on-year revenues doubling in the past 2 years. By 2028, we plan to be selling 5 commercially successful products in 5 key markets. Projecting our Australian success globally, we can rapidly grow our revenues to $30 million. Our goal is an exit to one of the large healthcare manufacturers. The initial product concept was developed by Professor Keith Alexander, who invented the globally successful spring-free trampoline. Alex and I have taken this concept and developed it into the award-winning Carer Sit-to-Sit and created a proven business model that is now ready to scale. We are supported by a strong, experienced board, engaged investors, and a small Christchurch-based team. We have developed a strong product that is solving a large global problem. We have successfully launched this product into 2 markets. We now have a pathway through to our target business model, and with that, sustainable growth. We believe that this is an exciting opportunity to invest $1 million in smart money and be part of the global healthcare revolution. We're thrilled about playing our part in reducing the cost and strain of global healthcare, and we're excited about the traction our business has gained, especially in overseas markets. Join us in taking our solutions to large global markets and solving one of the key problems in the modern world.
At a loss really to decide what we were going to do in terms of transferring gene, and then of course we got you guys coming along.
I wanted something that could help her lift me without hurting her back, and something she could do by herself.
And we have reached the point where we have the best device ever for moving her from hither to yon.
So we're using the Carer Sit-to-Sit, and we found it very helpful.
And it just makes us getting out and about a lot easier and keep us going for as long as we can.
We find it an easy machine to use, and we're quite thankful to have it.
Yeah, I think now we'd be lost without it.